In this simulation, we talk about heat capacity. Let's open our controls to see what we have here. We have a few controls here. First one is to turn off the Bunsen burner, on and off. Object we can select, the mode, what we need to do, and the mass can be controlled. So let's switch on the Bunsen burner. So we see there's a fire burning here, and we have a ball kept below it. And let's say we take two of these modes. There are two options here. We're going to play with both of them. First one is heat supply. Heat to supply is 1000 joules. When we supply only 1000 joules to a certain mass of the ball and keep it on burning, what happens to the final temperature? Take a look at the final temperature is only 101. Initial temperature was 27. When we increase the mass of the ball, the final temperature reduces because there's more mass, so more amount of heat. The same amount of heat will only rise up to a lower temperature. But if the mass is very low, then it goes to a much higher temperature because we are only supplying 1000 joules of energy. So you could repeat this experiment with different materials and see how the specific heat capacity will vary. Now, next, here in this experiment, what we do here is we take a look at how much amount of heat is required to increase the temperature by 1 degree Celsius. So if the mass is higher, we'll need more amount of heat, more amount of energy to increase the temperature by 1 degree Celsius. You could repeat it for different objects and explain it to your students how heat and temperature works very, very powerfully in your class.